विनोद कुमार इंडियन बैंक के नए प्रबंधक निदेशक के मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी का पद ग्रहण किया। रिपोर्टर अजय कुमार गुप्ता, सोशलिस्ट न्याय न्यूज, लखनऊ।
I think more than 1100 branches you told me. So more than 1100 branches in UP itself, almost 1100 branches in Tamil Nadu. So we should try to encash this opportunity because such a huge presence many banks will not have. We should try to encash it. हर जगह आपको ऐसा एक विजन होना चाहिए. I feel like this कि जैसे हमारी ब्रांचें हैं तो हर जगह हमारे कस्टमर्स होने चाहिए ऐसे ही. Most of the customers must be dealing with us. कहीं भी चले जाओ, randomly if you ask somebody किस बैंक के कस्टमर हो, तो उधर से आवाज आनी चाहिए इंडियन बैंक की. मैं कुछ दिन पोस्टिंग मेरी दुबई में थी तो विदेशी धरती लगता था अंग्रेजी ही बोलनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन गलती से भी हिंदी से बोल दो तो उधर से हिंदी में आवाज आता था. तो वैसे ही यहाँ पे कोई भी आप सोचो किसी से भी रैंडमली पूछे कौन से बैंक के कस्टमर हो, इंडियन बैंक. That type of culture I expect that we should do with. इतना अच्छा अपना कस्टमर सर्विस होना चाहिए, इतना अच्छा हमारे प्रोडक्ट होने चाहिए, इतनी अच्छी सर्विसेज होनी चाहिए कि हमसे लोग जुड़े यहाँ पे. एंड दिस बैंक हैज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम दिस इलाहाबाद ओनली. तो वी शुड हैव दैट पैशन कि सारे कस्टमर हमारे पास होने चाहिए. फ्रेंड्स, हैविंग सेड दैट, this is about the FGM. Talking about the bank is also doing very good. Your bank is safe in few of the parameters, and congratulations to all of you. For the first time we have crossed business figure of 12,50,000 crore, which is a landmark achievement, I will say, because 12,50,000 crore is not a small amount, and crossing that is not an easy job. So first of all, congratulations to you. If you see in many parameters, एक पैरामीटर होता है रिटर्न ऑन एसेट, मतलब आपने जो एसेट लगाए हैं उसमें से आपकी अर्निंग कितनी हो रही है. तो among peer banks it is best. So only Bank of Maharashtra, which is a smaller bank as compared to us, has better ROA. Otherwise our ROA is better than us. I mean most of our peer banks also. Similarly, net NPA ratio, provision coverage ratio is one of the best in the industry. So hard work put in by you has brought this result. Because see, what is bank? Bank is sum total of efforts of all the people, 40,000 people working in the bank. There is nothing called somebody is extraordinary, somebody is doing. So all the persons sitting in different difficult places, they are doing the work, and that is culminating into the result. But my vision for the bank is little, I will say, higher, even higher. I wish this bank should be the top layer of the country. Performance wise it is already, business figure wise also it should be in the top layer. So we will have to put in some extra efforts, and we will do. But during the process, as Mr. Sudhi told, compliance will be non-negotiable. उसमें कोई compromise नहीं है. Going forward, we will take some initiative. I am just trying to understand. See, I am trying to understand. See, many people come with the